nag-aalala ngayon mga tao, mukhang lahat ng magiging guest nyo na in your live streaming, puro magre-request na executive session.
Hindi naman,
Warranted
because
naman
we have
po
to
ba yung paghingi ng
identify.
executive session?
No, hindi naman automatic yun. We have to know ano yung content, ano yung sasabihin, ano yung kung justifiable yung request. No? May mga na-reject naman kami, hindi naman lahat yan eh. All of them, as you said, will request, siyempre. No? But we have not granted all. Meron naman kaming live stream.
So yung kay Sandro Marcos, warranted ba? Kasi tapos na yung kanyang pagharap sa inyo. Sa tingin nyo, yung sinabi sa inyo, warranted an executive session. Kasi lahat ng tao, iniintay yung pagharap niya sa ICI, actually.
Dumaan naman siya. Nagbigay siya ng option, I think, opportunities for live questions.
Yes. So, sa tingin nyo, warranted naman yung nakuha nyo sa kanyang information to make it behind closed doors?
Well, he was surprised about some of our questions kasi marami kaming detalyang tinanong. There are many projects in this district, but not in the scale of the insertions that were asserted to by Saldico. No? Nowhere near those numbers. That's why I had to dig deeper. Tinanong ko sa kanya, baka naman may mga ibang agencies na nag-insert sa distrito nyo other than insertion sa DPWH. As he had only the information of DPWH for this afternoon. So, I don't know kung may mga... Kasi maaaring may mga state college doon, may hospital doon, may airport. So, baka may ibang naglagay doon sa distrito na hindi DPWH. Kaya baka malaki nga, but as far as DPWH, the numbers do not show the numbers that Saldico was asserting or saying, no? One-third lang of the numbers, no?
Secretary, two weeks ago, kayong dalawa ni Secretary Vince Dizon nag-press conference at pumunta kayo sa Ombudsman recommending that charges will be filed or should be filed with former Speaker Martin Romualdez.
Yes.
Ang sabi nung kampo ni Speaker Martin Romualdez, kung ebidensya nyo lang daw ay yung testimony ni Saldico at yung testimony ni Gutesa ay parang kapos. Dahil una, wala si Saldico rito, wala siyang affidavit. Tapos si Gutesa naman ay still missing.
Hindi pa tapos yun. Ronald, hindi pa tapos yun.
So there are more evidence.
So probably, yung sinasabi niya, nakukulangan siya. Hindi, kaya mo, dadagdagan namin.
But so hindi pa tapos, sir, meaning you expect to get more evidence? Because these are high crimes that we're talking, plunder.
As I said this morning, what we need now are lawyers who will go through the boxes and boxes of documents that have been delivered to us. No? Wala nga kaming staffing pattern pa eh. Anong papipiga mo kung volunteer?
Si Sandro Marcos, may binigay bang dokumento? Kasi yung kinikwento nyo sa amin na sinabi sa inyo, I don't think hindi naman kailangan.
Meron 5 kahon. Yung mga NEP at saka submissions ng mga barangay na proving to us that ito yung mga hiningi sa akin. Other than this, all the others were already insertions. No? But sa akin ang mas importante, okay na, may insertion. Anong ginawa mo dun sa insertions? Saan mo ginamit? Nabantayan ba yun?